So I have this assembly that hooks onto the side of the tractor, and then it's got two handles. I still don't remember 100% how it works. I think this one connects to the spring on the plow that angles it. So I think you can use your foot to unlock that, and then the other handle you use to angle the plow. And the reason this isn't on right now is because I thought I had a problem with it a while ago. I can't remember. But I'm gonna try to put this on because I'm tired of this part always sitting around. I'm afraid I might end up cutting it up for a project or something, and I don't want to do that. I did buy this new Master Force impact driver, so I'm going to use that. I waste a lot of time using ratchets to tighten bolts and nuts, and I need to be more efficient. I don't really want it facing that way because I'd rather it face that way. I don't know. I'll just try it and see. I like to buy packs of various sized pins. You always need them. Always do. That goes in there. And I think that's what that hole is for right there. And there's a good chance I don't even have this hooked up right. I wouldn't put it past myself. But I remember I did have this on a different plow, and I remember that plow, it worked really good. I'll have to tinker with it, but